Jamaica, one of the most beautiful islands in the Caribbean, is situated 90 miles from Cuba, with a population of 2.9 million people. Today, I'm going to tell you about the 6 safest parishes in Jamaica. Number 6, St. Mary. St. Mary is a parish located in the northeast section of Jamaica, with a population of 114,225 people, and its capital is Port Maria, which is situated on the coast. It had some of the famous residents, ranging from pirate Henry Morgan, record producer Chris Blackwell, and famed James Bond author Ian Fleming. St. Mary is a rural parish consisting mainly of plantations. Its principal products are bananas, sugar, citrus, and coconuts. St. Mary was once listed as the poorest parish, which kept out outsiders and contributed to its low crime rate. However, there has been an influx of investments, including the Ian Fleming International Airport and a few hotels. Many returning residents are now settling in Oracabessa and Boscobel, which overlook the sea. Number 5, St. Anne. St. Anne is the largest parish and is situated on the north coast of Jamaica. It is located next to St. Mary on the east. Its capital is St. Anne's Bay and consists of the famous tourist town Ocho Rios. While St. Anne is a rural parish, it is known for its legendary attractions such as Dunn's River Falls, Green Grotto Cave, Fern Gully, Puerto Seco Beach, and the Bob Marley Mausoleum. Ocho Rios is considered very safe because of the high volume of resort police. Number 4, Manchester. The parish of Manchester is located in west central Jamaica, and its capital is Mandeville. Mandeville is considered the cleanest town in Jamaica and is the favorite for returning residents from the United States, the UK, and Canada. Mandeville has a very cool climate all year round. It has many beautiful houses and modern facilities, including a Mega Mart wholesale club. Mandeville is home to many private high schools and colleges, including Northern Caribbean University, a Seventh-day Adventist institution. It also has the Mandeville Hospital and the private Hargreaves Memorial Hospital. Number 3, St. Elizabeth. The parish of St. Elizabeth is one of the largest parishes in Jamaica, and its capital is Black River. It is a rural parish with a population of 148,000 people. The parish is very diverse, with numerous ethnic groups. The Mosquito Indians were brought to Jamaica to capture the runaway slaves known as Maroons. The Indians were given land for their assistance. Many other groups settled in this parish, such as Spanish, Germans, Chinese, and East Indians, which testified to the motto, "Out of many, one people." St. Elizabeth is known for bauxite, sugar, and the famous Appleton rum. The town of Black River was the first to have electricity in the Caribbean, even before New York City. The electricity was set up by the British. It also consists of the large part of the protected cockpit country. Number 2, St. Thomas. St. Thomas is located on the eastern end of the island, and its capital is Morant Bay. Morant Bay is well known in Jamaica's history for the Morant Bay Rebellion in 1865, led by national hero Paul Bogle. St. Thomas is a rural parish and has several wonderful attractions, such as Bath Botanical Gardens, Blue Mountain, and License Beach. The crime rate in St. Thomas is relatively low. Number 1, Portland, the number 1 parish that is considered the safest is Portland, and its capital is Port Antonio. The parish is located on the eastern end of the island, north of St. Thomas and to the east of St. Mary. The main economy of Portland is agriculture. However, tourism also plays a major role in its economy. It has many attractions, including the Blue Lagoon in Port Antonio, which is known for a famous movie starring Brooke Shields. Another notable resident of Portland is Errol Flynn, an American movie star. Portland has many beautiful houses and is rated as the safest parish in Jamaica for the last several years with the lowest crime rate. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.